In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder sections on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access your theme editor, add the sections you need, arrange them in the order you want, and save your changes with confidence. First, open your browser and go to shopify.com. On the homepage, click Login, sign in using your email or one of the available login options for your account. Make sure you're using the correct store, and if your team uses permissions, confirm you have access to edit themes. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look to the left-hand navigation and click Online Store. This takes you to the Themes area where you can work on your storefront. Find your current theme at the top of the page and click the option to edit it. Depending on your view, this may appear as Edit Theme or Customize. Either way, it opens the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a live preview on the right and a sidebar on the left listing your sections. To add something new, click Add Section in the left sidebar. A panel will appear with the available section types your theme supports, such as image banners, featured products, collections, or text sections. Choose a section type that fits what you want to showcase. After you select it, the new section will appear in the sidebar and in the preview. Click into that section to customize its content, layout, and settings. Update headings, text, images, buttons, and any theme-specific options. As you edit, keep your brand style and hierarchy in mind so the page flows logically for visitors. Now it's time to reorder. In the left sidebar, hover over the section you want to move. Click and hold the drag handle, then drag the section up or down to the desired spot. Think of the list top to bottom as the order your customers will experience on the page. Keep your most important content higher and group related sections together for clarity. If your theme includes a fixed header or footer, those won't move, but you can rearrange everything in between. As you adjust, use the preview to check spacing and visual balance. If your theme offers device previews, quickly toggle to mobile to ensure the order still makes sense on smaller screens. When you're happy with the layout and content, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Give it a moment to finish saving. Your updated section order is now live. If you're editing your published theme, that's all you need to reorder sections on Shopify. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly polished storefront.